Alrighty guys, welcome back. We've had our spaghetti and everything cooking now for about 8.5 hours from when we finished it earlier this morning. The only thing I have left to do, I went ahead and already boiled up a pot of spaghetti. Obviously when you're doing that, one thing you want to do is add a little bit of oil to the water so that the spaghetti noodles don't stick, especially if you're like me and with our big spaghetti batch that we're making here. I cook an entire box of spaghetti noodles. We're going to go ahead and grab our garlic bread out. Got that bad boy there. Let's go ahead and cut up a couple pieces of garlic bread for this thing. And our trusty bread knife. I use my pot holder so as to keep my hand from getting all jacked up. I usually just cut up the whole thing because my kids will want some too. Garlic bread's usually their favorite part. But we got our garlic bread cut. And put this back in here. Take our plate. Grab some of our spaghetti noodles here. Looks like a decent amount. And go ahead and get some of our meat sauce here. Running out of counter space. I'm trying to do this near you guys here. Meat sauce is going to be extra thick now because it's had all day to kind of cool off. So we go ahead and slap some of that on there. Grab a couple pieces of garlic bread. I like to do it like that. And then we're going to go ahead and take it over here. Grab ourselves a fork. And we'll get you along for the ride for this one. We're gonna kind of come over here. Here's our trusty dog. Kids' toys. And bam! You got our spaghetti and garlic bread with a little bit of wine. Thank you guys so much. Bon appetit.